Okay. Can you see my chart?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Today we're going to be talking about contraction and expansion. Okay.
Okay.
So expansion, when price is moving up. Okay.
Do you also call it
What did you say? Can you repeat
do
what?
you do you also call it bullish?
Yeah.
Bullish. Okay.
So when price is moving up, high, 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 low, high, low, high. When it's doing this, and when it's also doing this, okay, this is what we call expansion.
Okay.
Okay, expansion. Okay, when it's moving up like this and it's moving down like this is what we call expansion. And then contraction. Contraction is when price is moving like this. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So we can call this consolidation, accumulation, contraction, or ranging.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
So most of the time when the price is moving, it will go higher high, maybe higher low, then okay, let me see. Higher high, higher low. Okay, then maybe so let me do this. Expansion, okay, and then maybe contraction, expansion, okay,
Okay.
contraction, expansion, expansion, contraction. This is usually the Asian session, this one.
Okay. It's always
Because
the Asian.
sometimes the Asian session is very small. They are contracting, it's contraction.
Okay.
Mm. And then they expand. Okay. Same thing with the lower time frame. Lower low, contraction, expansion, expansion, contraction, expansion, 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 contraction, or ranging or accumulation, expand, expand. Okay, that's how they move. Or it can be at the top. Price is moving out higher, higher, low, higher, high, higher, low, higher, high, higher, low, higher, high. So what, like I told you last time, when they are about to reverse, let's say they want to reverse in here, this area here, they can either just go in high, low, high, market structure break, and they go down. Okay?
Yes.
Or they say higher, high, higher, low, higher, high, higher, low, higher, high, then contraction. They start contraction. They're picking more orders, pick more orders. Okay?
Okay.
Then finally they expand. Okay? So you can see this sometimes mostly in Asia or when they are about to reverse, they do this, they contract. Or after they've done many like big moves. Okay. So like let's say let's give an example, right? For Euro USD, let's say normally on average when they move like this, it's like let's say maybe 20, 50 pips on average, right? So let's just say average. Okay. Okay, so let's say these are all 50 pips. 50 pips ranges, okay, on average, on normal. And then maybe 1 week, in a new week, they'll start giving you 100 pips, okay, big ranges,
Okay.
okay. So usually after doing this, after doing these big ranges, they will start consolidating or contraction, okay. So most of the time, if you see the market moving so fast and so much, you should expect a contraction very soon. Very soon, they're going to stop and they'll maybe start consolidating, start contracting. Then finally, maybe after 2 days, 5 days, 1 week, and they expand again. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So after every contraction, you should expect a expansion. After every expansion, expect contraction.
Okay.
Okay, do you see here this area?
Yes.
Okay, so these areas you see here, these are their bullish expansion, expansion, expansion down, expansion down, expansion up, expansion up, expansion up. Okay, let's go to the next photo. This also on a bigger time frame. This is a big expansion. Okay, this is a big expansion on bigger time frame. Also, this one here, that's a big expansion. And then now this is the contraction now. Okay, you can see here. After this big move, they contract. Consolidation, accumulation, accumulating more orders. Finally, expand. A small contraction here. Expand again, small contraction. Expand, contraction here. Expand down, contraction here. Expand up, contraction here. Expand down, contraction. Expand up, contraction. You see? And then there's this big contraction here. So like I just told you, after big moves comes contraction. After this big drop here, this was a big drop, a huge drop. They had to wait, pause a bit, and pick more orders. That's what they were doing here. Okay?
Okay.
Understand?
Yes.
Okay. And this is now the picture for both of them. Okay? The red is expansion, the blue is contraction. Contraction, expansion, expansion, contraction, expansion. So you see this on many, it can be 1 minute, 5 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour, every time you see this.
Okay. Also in the daily time frame.
Yes, even monthly.
Okay.
If you look at, what day is that? Let me check something here. Is this pair?
By the way, I don't hear you.
Okay, just wait a little bit. I'm looking for something.
Okay, take your time.
Can you see my chart?
Yes.
Yes. Do you see this?
Contraction.
Yeah. Which time frame is this?
The monthly.
Yeah, on monthly. It's been 1, 2, 3, 4. No. How many years? Since 2012 until now, they are just in contraction.
Oh, that's crazy.
That's 8 years
Yes.
of contraction. Okay, that is why most people don't like this pair. But if you go to lower time frame, you can get some. You see, even here, okay, expansion, contraction here, expansion, contraction. Okay, but if it's noisy like this, if you go to low, you see now it's a bit more clear. You can see the ranges. Expansion here, contract up here. Expansion down, contract. Expansion up, contract. Expansion. Okay, do you see now them? Do you see them now?
Okay, yes. Yes, I see it right now.
Yes. So this is what we call expansion and contraction.
Okay.
Okay, let's go. This is USD CHF right there.
Yes.
Ha! You know, I was in this trade.
Today?
Yes, I sold here, right here. This is where I sold.
Nice.
This area
Yes.
here in the morning. Okay, and it was contracting. Then it went up. Then I thought, maybe this pay is not. I don't like what it's doing. Let me get out. Then when I got out, look at what it's doing now.
Yes.
I had sold around here. This is where I sold, and
You
I
should.
got out because I was getting tired of this contraction here.
Yes.
So this is what happens sometimes when you don't control your emotions. You know,
Yes. That's
my stop loss was here. Was actually okay. It was here. My stop loss. So sometimes even for us, we also go through these things, man. Emotions. So this is what they do sometimes when you're in a trade. Okay, you enter your trade, they'll start contracting for a long time until you give up, until you are just angry. Then you say, okay, I'm getting out. And most of the time, after you get out, they drop. This is what they did today. And anyways, it's okay. Next week, we'll continue. Let me see. So let me go back to your picture. So that did you see the book which I always put in the group?
Film?
The book written Emotion Free Trading.
No, I didn't see it.
Okay, I put it in the channel. It's a good book. I think you should read it to help you
No,
to control your
not yet.
emotions when trading.
Okay, I'm going to wait it then.
What do you see this contraction here?
Yes, I see
Yes.
it.
If this was 15 minutes, and let's say you enter here, you enter up here, you sell, you enter in the morning at 8 a.m., then the whole day they are doing this 8,
Yes.
9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3. By around 3, you'll be tired. You'll be like, no, man, I'm
Yes,
going to get out of this trade.
it's playing
As
with
soon
your
as you get
emotion.
out, they drop.
Yeah.
I don't know why it just always happens like that, but it's okay. This is so you see when this happens. Tomorrow I'm going to do my journaling. I'll be writing what happened throughout this week. You write these things down. I got out because I was frustrated, or I was now angry. I was tired of waiting. Okay, so that was a mistake. So you can find
Oh,
your mistakes.
okay,
That's how you
also,
improve. You find your old mistakes and you try to not to do them again.
okay.
Yeah. And this is another form of contraction. This one here. Okay, this one here. Another form of
Oh,
contraction. This is what the retail traders use when they're trading.
yeah, yes, that's true.
And sometimes after this breakout, they will buy. And sometimes the market will give them money, but sometimes it's a fake one.
Yes.
So it's a form of contraction. Okay, just like here. Expansion, contraction here. Expansion, contraction.
Okay.
Oh, this is the one I was teaching the other students. Right? When I was saying lower low, lower high, lower low, this is your high, this is your low. All these things should be, this should not confuse you. This These higher highs, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. It should not confuse you.
Okay.
Why? Because
Like,
your old high is this and your old low is here. So whatever they're doing here, we don't really care. What we care is when the moment they get to premium here, where I'm expecting to sell, that's when I'll start looking at my
okay.
charts. Okay, so this should not confuse you. You see,
Okay. Because some hours ago I sent you my homework and I think you saw it. I did the same thing happened in my short. and I have put a lot of high, low, high, low, high, low.
Yes, this is just too confusing. So that's why from the first lesson I told you, whenever you get a high and a low and price is now moving inside here, always mark the last high and the last low. It will help you and it won't confuse you.
Okay. Do you mean I need to draw it first in the higher time frame?
Okay, so it depends. If you are using 1 hour market structure,
Yes.
okay, lower low, lower high, lower low, you mark this low and you mark this high.
Okay. Yes.
Okay? And remember, we want to sell high here, right? So all this, we ignore this, okay? Because our low is here and our high is here. And as soon as they go to premium, if they give you a setup, type 1 or type 2, you sell. Okay?
Okay. I think I see my mistake, but I'm not sure.
Yeah, it happens.
Yes.
Even to me, sometimes it happens. Sometimes that's when I will switch to. So, okay, here's the thing. If you are using 1 hour and now the market is a bit messy,
Yes.
you should switch to 4 hour.
Two.
You should
Two.
switch to 4 hour.
Okay. Okay. 4 hours. Okay. Yes, because it will make sense
Yes.
where the market is going.
You see, this is Euro USD.
Yes.
Okay. Let's look at last week was really messed up. It was messed up. A lot of people lost money. Okay. You see this from here, right? Lower low, lower low, lower high. So to make a lower low, break market structure. Okay.
Yes.
Break market structure. Higher high, higher low, higher high, market structure break. Lower low, lower high, lower low. You're expecting sell here. Lower low, lower high, lower low, market structure break. You are now thinking that okay, now we are bullish. Okay, after this market structure break, we are bullish now. Higher high, higher low, higher high. You are expecting a buy here. You see this candle here.
Yes.
You could have bought here, but guess what they do? Market structure break again. It was just market structure break, then another one, then another one. A lot of people really lost their money because it was really messy. Then lower low, lower. Okay, so let's see. Bearish market structure break, lower low, lower high. You're expecting a lower low, a consolidation, market structure break again. Higher high, higher low. So it was just a messy. So if you switch to 4 hour, now it was more clear. Higher high, higher low. Higher high, stop run. Breaking market structure. Higher high, higher low. Higher high, higher low. It's more clear on the
Yes.
4 hour.
Okay.
Yes. So when you see 1 hour giving you break market structure, then another one, then another one, go to 4 hour. It will make things easy. So let me go back to the picture.